Today, I will show you how to download a WordPress theme from Envato Elements. The process is simple, and I will guide you step by step using clear instructions. Before we start, I want to share something helpful for anyone building WordPress websites. If you ever feel limited by the themes you find online, or if you want something more flexible and easier to customize, you should try Divi from Elegant Themes. Divi gives you a full visual builder, hundreds of layouts, and a very fast way to design any type of website. You can find a link in the description to try Divi at a great price with a full refund guarantee if you do not like it. Now let us begin. First, open your browser and go to the Envato Elements website. When the page loads, look at the top menu and find the search bar. This is where you can type the name of the theme or the type of theme you want. Before you search, make sure you are looking only for WordPress themes. To do this, click on the Items section near the search bar, and from the drop-down menu, choose WordPress. This helps filter your results so you only see themes that work with WordPress. Now type the name of the theme you want. You can search for something general like Elementor templates, or you can type the specific name of a theme you already know. After typing your keyword, press Enter. You will now see a list of results. Take your time and browse through the options. When you find a theme you like, click on it to open its page. Here you can read the details, check the features, preview the demo, and see what is included in the download. If you want to use this theme, make sure you are logged in to your Envato Elements account. Then look for the download button. Click it, and Envato will prepare a zip file for you. This zip file contains the main theme files you will upload to WordPress. After your download finishes, go to your WordPress dashboard. On the left side menu, look for Appearance and then click Themes. When the Themes page opens, click the Add New button at the top. Then click Upload Theme. Now click Choose File and select the zip file you downloaded from Envato Elements. Once selected, click Install Now. WordPress will upload the theme and install it. When the installation is done, click Activate to make the theme live on your website. At this point, many premium themes will also include a child theme, demos, or additional plugins. Follow any on-screen instructions the theme provides so you can import content or activate the correct features. That is all you need to do. You now have your theme fully installed and ready to customize. Before we end, I want to remind you again that if you ever want more control over your design, or if you want the ability to change layouts without limits, Divi from Elegant Themes is one of the best options available. It gives you complete freedom to build pages visually and is very easy to learn even for beginners. You will find the link in the description to try Divi at a great price with a full refund guarantee if it is not right for you.